8950 Cal Center Drive. Dover Elevators. And of course, none of them are here. They have GAL indicators. Oh, and GAL access. What the heck? This might be interesting. What the heck? Oh, they're custom Dovers! Oh my god! This was a mod! Look at that! That's a GAL indicator. This was a mod. No way! Alright, here we go. Yeah, this was a mod, ThyssenKrupp mod. This probably had JL JetPLUS. That's where the 2 B's in case a fire button would be. Original indicator right there. Use ThyssenKrupp COP. That is cool. Let's go again on this one and then switch. Nice bell. Oh my god. Alright, be quiet. Quite a combo. Mechanical charms with those buttons. 4,000 pound capacity. It's a hospital size elevator. Very nice cap. Snap cap. Wait, no, it's not snap cap. Let's get the other one. Yeah, this is really cool. Look at that. Alright, let's see how the motor is on this one. Wow, these are really nice. This building is really nice. Custom impulse. You do not see that every day. Oh, these are cool. Oh, it's a very nice building too. California Center.